This is part one of a video series describing Football on 3. Football on 3 is an app for iPad. It allows you to do team management, game scoring, game analysis, player statistics, and several other features for youth football. The first screen shows the files, where each file represents a team and a season. You create a new file by tapping the plus in the upper right corner, entering a file name, and selecting OK. I already have a couple files defined, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the options here. When you tap a file, you can view the contents, you can rename the file, you can copy it to another file, you can email or airdrop it to another coach who also has Football on 3, and then you can delete the file. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the contents. There's 6 main features. Define is described in part 2 of the video, and this is some of the team management aspects of the app, defining players, coaches, depth charts, play calls, your teams and schedules. The games are described in part 3 of the video, and this is where you score games, review games, you can analyze games and analyze player statistics. There's player evaluations. This is described in part 4 of the video. So this is, you can define attributes and sort categories for various positions and then find the best player for the positions. Practices are described in part 5, and this allows you to define your daily practices, creating time slots and activities, and then emailing those out to your coaches. And then 2 other features which are described in this part 1 are just email and the text feature. So for email, with a single tap, you can email your players, your coaches, or both your players and your coaches. And then for the text feature, you can again text players, text coaches, or text both players and coaches. So in order for the text to work properly, your iPad must support cellular service. Otherwise, it's only going to text out to other Apple devices if you have iMessages enabled. So unless you have cellular service on your iPad, you probably won't use the text feature. But you probably will find the email feature useful to quickly send out emails. All right, so that is it for the introduction. Also, back on the first page, the About button shows you the version of the app, has our web page, and then our email address. If you have any questions or issues, you can contact us anytime. Also, each display should have an info button in the upper right corner, so you can tap that anytime to see additional information about that particular screen. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the app.